If you're aiming for a band 7 or 8 in the IELTS Speaking or Writing test, this video is for you. Many students think IELTS examiners want big words or a British accent. They don't. What examiners really want is clarity, precision, and control of language. Today, I'll show you the exact differences between everyday English and the kind of English that scores band 7 or 8 in vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Eslan. Let's start with the words you choose. IELTS examiners listen for how precisely and appropriately you use vocabulary, not how complicated your words are.
Example 1. I'm going to pick a topic for my essay. I'm going to select a topic for my essay.
Pick is casual. Select sounds formal and controlled. Exactly the kind of vocabulary shift IELTS examiners reward.
Example 2. I got a letter from the university. I received a letter from the university.
Get is fine in conversation, but in IELTS, writing or formal speech, receive signals accuracy.
Example 3. I asked my teacher for help. I requested assistance from my teacher.
Notice how Band 8 version doesn't just change the verb. It also chooses a more academic noun. The lesson here, IELTS isn't testing your vocabulary range only. It's testing your register. At Band 7+, examiners listen for your ability to use complex structures naturally. That means linking ideas logically, using conditionals, and varying your sentence patterns. You must know which words fits the context.
Connector 1. Although, even though. I was tired, but I went to work. Although I was tired, I went to work.
Simple swap, but the structure changes the tone and shows grammatical range.
Connector 2. Therefore, as a result. I didn't study much, so I failed the test. I didn't study much, therefore I failed the test.
Notice the semicolon. It shows written cohesion.
Connector 3. Despite, in spite of. Even though it was raining, we went out. Despite the rain, we went out.
This short, tight phrasing sounds controlled and advanced.
Conditional example. If it rains tomorrow, we won't go. Should it rain tomorrow, we will cancel the trip.
That inversion, should it rain, is rare but powerful, a Band 8 feature of spoken naturally.
Passive voice example. People built this bridge in 2010. This bridge was built in 2010.
The passive voice highlights the object rather than the doer, exactly what's needed in IELTS Writing Task 1. Not only is it more formal, it also shows rhythm and lexical accuracy.
Parallel structure example. The project is difficult and needs time. The project is challenging and time-consuming.
Let's talk pronunciation, the most misunderstood part of IELTS speaking. You don't need a British or American accent. What you need is intelligibility, clear sounds, correct stress, and natural rhythm.
Example 1. Sentence stress. I didn't say she stole the money. I didn't say she stole the money.
Stress changes meaning. Examiners listen for whether your stress patterns help understanding.
Example 2. Rhythm and link. I want to go out and eat. I want to go out and eat.
Native-like rhythm is smoother. Words connect and reduce naturally. IELTS examiners note this under fluency and pronunciation features.
Example 3. Intonation. Rising tone for questions, falling tone for statements. Do you like it? I like it.
Rising tone for questions, falling tone for statements. Do you like it? I like it. Monotone delivery sounds robotic. Band 6. Controlled intonation sounds expressive. Band 7 or 8. Let's compare two versions of the same response.
Do you think it's important to protect the environment? Yes, it's important, because if we don't, the air will be bad and people can get sick. Band-Aid answer. Absolutely. Although environmental protection requires global cooperation, it's essential because clean air and water are fundamental to human health. Therefore, governments must prioritize sustainable policies.
See the difference? Same idea, different word choice, structure, and rhythm. The second one shows lexical precision, grammatical control, and connected speech. All the things examiners tick boxes for. So, to summarize, use academic vocabulary when the topic requires it, build complex but clear structures, not long, messy sentences, and focus on pronunciation clarity, not accent limitation, not accent imitation. If you do that, you'll sound confident, educated, and ready for Band 7 or 8. If you found this useful, subscribe for more English fluency and IELTS mastery videos. Remember, fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking smart.